Hello, good morning. My name is Lance Liam and welcome to our day 10 travel tour Turkey, and we're here at the Cappadocia hot air balloons. Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbird has spoken. It was so bright. Ang dami na umakyat. Yan ang one of the highlights here in Catalonia. Every day, 150 balloons ang umaakyat. Sa dami ng mga turista. Okay. Ayan, morning has broken